compliment of the season to you all. I wish you more long life and prosperity. It's me, Uncle Femi. So I pray you guys to follow me so that in case I drop any video, you guys will see. This one I'm at work, and the work when I use the shop with this, you understand? Shock absorber now the work. So that is what I do. Yeah. And I'm proud of it. You understand? I'm proud of my work. So if you have a job doing, try putting all your best. You understand? This shock absorber when I work now, now something when we say 95% of world population believe say this thing not the work. Yes, this shock absorber. So now the spring be this. See, 95% of people believe say this thing if they work and say no, they work. But with my time, dedication, God can give me the wisdom to know the secret about the shock absorber. I understand. So today, Naima is the at least they manage myself. You understand? So that is just it. So like I said, I'll just have to continue to be serious. You understand? So I urge you guys to follow me so that I just need more views. I post sometimes I post skits, I post content on how to avoid scammers. You understand? And some amazing funny sound like get it now. If you don't get it, forget about it. Yeah, and don't forget guys, I almost forgot, overtaking is allowed. You understand? Don't let anyone to scam you. Don't let anybody use you to overtaking for this year. You understand? This year 2025, when we don't enter, or let's say we don't already enter, don't let anybody use you do overtaking. You understand? So just continue to follow my videos so that at least I'll see they put you through in one way or the other on how to avoid all those scammers them and how to know fake and real Facebook profile. You understand? I remain the one and only Uncle Femi. Another one no day. Any other one a scam. You understand? Now maybe your real Uncle Femi. Overtaking is what allowed. Don't play. One love. Peace out.